This is my Kirby Generation 6. Most people think these are really good vacuums. It's got filtration bags. You change them out as the bags hit the fill line to a brand new empty bag. And these vacuums are, and it's a very good product. This functions as an upright cleaner. It could function as a canister, whether in upright or portable configuration. It could function as a carpet shampooer. If the carpets need to be shampooed, hopefully that doesn't happen. And you can make it function as a blower for the upholstery carpet shampooing and stuff. That's quite cool. This vacuum is very good, and it does good. Where it sucks up the carpets, you see, and it sucks up the carpets you don't see. And I'm very happy of how this product turns out. Anywho, without further ado, let me set the camera down so you can watch me vacuum. Is that it? I think so. And now you can watch me vacuum. Put it back to neutral. Focus camera. Thankfully it's focusing. It did super great. It was only $1,000 brand new.